15.1. Hello friends, welcome. Today we will be starting the probability exercise 15.1, and in the 15.1 exercises there are a couple of sums are there, so I will be mainly discussing the most important sums, and if you have any special requirement for a special sum, kindly put into my comment section. So first sum we are going to discuss today is the fifth. So the fifth question says that if P of P, that is probability of an event to occur, is 0.05, what is the probability that it will not occur? So let's the five question. Let the probability of the event to occur is 0.05, right? This is the probability of the event to occur, and the event not to occur is complement. So in probability, the highest number that it can happen is 1. The probability that it will occur, say the probability that it will occur and the probability that it will not occur is comprises of 1. So if it is 0.05, then the probability of the event will not occur is this one. Then P of this one is equals to 1 minus 0.05, which is equal to 0.95. So this is the probability that the event will not occur. Coming to the next question,